Alright, for today's upload, we're just gonna install some heater knobs. Sorry, car's a little dirty. We're gonna install some cool, awesome, badass heater knobs on the Mark IV. Sorry, it's a little dirty. Yesterday we had a quick jack in the car and we got back from Costco pretty late. I got just an old rubber glove inside a pair of pliers because these do pull out pretty hard. I thought maybe if you were man enough, you don't need the rubber glove, but that's not true. So I just try to get on these. I don't really care about them, but they are stock. I get this shifter out of the way. It ain't happening because I don't think I have the key. Let's try to get in there. Yeah, I got one. Alright, we got two. Alright. And just trying to get three. A little slippery. Got it. Awesome. Alright, so there we go. There's the old knobs. There's two of them at least. So here's the new knob. Try to open this one-handed. I don't think it's gonna happen. Gotta set it down. I'm just gonna open them all. That way. If there's no issue. Sorry, I'm talking funny. I'm just tired. Alright. Oh, we got the center knobs out. Let me refocus. There we go. Alright. Here we go. Kind of forgot what position. Maybe it was that position. Yeah, that looks good. Put that in the middle. It looks good, don't it? We got to do something about this bezel ring. That's actually what started all these mods. But little by little, I think, yeah, actually, that's right. Alright, so got two in. The third one didn't want to open. Try to get this thing here on camera. I tried it two-handed, it didn't work, so gotta try the easier method. One-handed. God dang. I use my teeth. There we go. Alright, we're just gonna pop it in here. Yeah. I think those look a lot better, actually. The only thing now is we're waiting on the, we need to do seat covers, need to do the R32 center console or US center console, whatever it is, Bora vents, and the R32 piece here. We're gonna get rid of this stupid cup holder, and that'll be it. Turn on the lights. It's supposed to be orange in the center, and then these are supposed to be red. One's orange. I don't see these. Quite frankly, I don't care because it's daytime. So, all right, that's it. That's the mod for you. I'm out.